For this writing assignment, you're being asked to write a 5-paragraph essay on one of the following question prompts. First, though Galahad is the knight who achieves the Grail quest, Mallory seems to focus primarily on the character of Lancelot, even going so far as giving to the son, Galahad, his father's real name. Does Lancelot, then, achieve the Grail quest too? What might show us that he does succeed at this quest? Second possibility. Sir Gawain is a very different character in Mallory's depiction from his presentation in the poem of the Green Knight. In Mallory's story, he betrays the trust of other knights, he acts rashly, he fails at the Grail quest, and finally he ignites the civil war in the court. How is Gawain in this story an anti-hero? The third possibility for writing. Guinevere provides the round table to Arthur at their wedding. It's an image that suggests she is pivotal in the formation of Camelot. Yet Guinevere and her affair with Lancelot also become the cause of the civil war and ultimate dissolution of Camelot. Using Guinevere as an example, discuss the connection Mallory makes between women and civilization, both the rise and the fall of civilization. A fourth possibility. The troping of imagery throughout the work leads to parallels, or what are called hypostases, the same character, idea, in a different form between the characters. How then are the characters of Arthur, Lancelot, Galahad, and Gawain similar to one another? How are they different? Remember, you're writing on only one of these prompts, so choose one of those prompts and write a 5-paragraph essay. You might ask, what does a 5-paragraph essay look like? Well, normally you want your main idea in a single sentence called a thesis, which comes at the end of the first paragraph. First paragraph is an introduction paragraph, so you're leading up to that thesis. You want to raise any points maybe that are going to appear in the thesis. You want to perhaps narrow to the idea of the thesis. Like in a conversation, you're getting closer to your main point. That's the thesis. Now, after that first paragraph, you have 3 paragraphs, each of which will be furthering your idea, furthering your point. You want a topic sentence at the beginning of each of those paragraphs. And that topic is going to further your point and also give an idea of what's going to be in the paragraph. And then in each of those 3 body paragraphs, you're going to want to have evidence from the text that shows that you know what you're talking about. You want to have points that back up your original point. And you want to explain how your text that you've chosen fits into the point you're making in the topic and in the thesis. The last paragraph that you have, you're going to be doing the thesis again, rephrasing it. Don't just restate it, rephrase it. And then you want to broaden out to a more general discussion of things. Perhaps say how this could be applied to modern life, for instance, or suggest maybe implications this might have for other pieces of literature, or perhaps ask a question about what could have happened otherwise. But one way or the other, you want to broaden out at the end of your essay, as though, again, you're winding up a conversation and you're getting ready to call it a day. So remember, 5 paragraphs, an introduction paragraph with a thesis sentence, 3 body paragraphs that have a topic and evidence and commentary and support the point. And then you have a final paragraph that's going to rephrase your thesis and it's going to broaden out the conversation so that you feel as though there's a sense of completion to your essay. It's finished. Good luck.